Alright, so this is a cheap little manual spiralizer. It has a blade. I don't find this one does anything very nice. So I use the bigger tongued blade cutter, and it just fits in to a little slot and gets tightened in manually until it's fairly tight.
How much did this cost?
I have no idea. I've had it for a few years. I got it at some crafty show in town. This is a zucchini. I find I really like spiralized zucchini. So I'm a bit of a fussy vegetable eater for a vegan. And zucchini, spiralized, seems like noodles to me. And actually you can use it as noodles. I often use it in salad. So here I've cut it to fit. The blade is over here, you can see, probably, the cutter. And really I just turn it after that, and it shoots out. I will show you. It shoots out. And I use it with noodles to add more vegetables to my pasta. I don't cook it, I just put it in raw and add the sauce and stir it around. Or I put it in salads. Because I like I say, I like the texture, and it feels just like noodles, so it can be kind of a noodly bit to your salad with any kind of dressing. You can do fat carrots with this thing, you can do beets, you can do sweet potatoes. Harder things take a little more energy. There, you see, so you get quite a bit with a zucchini. Right. And voila, it's good for you. Au revoir.